Hi, welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2016 16 plate 420D M Sport Coupe in mineral grey. Alongside that fantastic exterior colour, the vehicle features some very nice BMW options and of course a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. You'll also see we've added a set of brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloys, and sitting just behind those, a set of the M Sport Plus brakes can be seen, and on this wonderful 4 Series we have got the full Bmw M Sport Plus package. At the front you can see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. It's a very clean and tidy example. Down the side you can see the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and of course the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Working very nicely in contrast with that mineral grey exterior. And we have got a full coral red Dakota leather, which for both drivers and passengers you can enjoy both the electric lumbar and the heated seat option, and as you can see it's all been kept very clean and tidy. It has got a 7-speed automatic gearbox, and we shall talk more about the interior features shortly. Harman Kardon surround sound, and for your rear passengers you'll see it has got an Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with a central folding armrest and of course our darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading round to the rear of the car, again I want to show you just how well the 666 competition style alloys suit the car, and of course you can see those standout bigger M Sport Plus brakes there. At the back we opted to go for that high gloss rear spoiler and the satin rear diffuser on this 4 Series. It does also come with the optional rear facing reversing camera, which we will give you a display of shortly. If you've not yet seen in the boot space for the 2-door coupe 4 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as that is a big area and does also have split folding seats. Round onto the driver's side, and again you can see that this vehicle has been kept in great condition and of course also working really well in all of those additions that we've made. And we shall now hop on inside. I'm going to talk you through its major talking points and features, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. This car also does come with the power folding mirrors, as can be seen there. That can be controlled using the button or of course holding the lock button on the key fob. So starting the car up, you can see on the professional widescreen we've got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including CD, DVD, music collection, your external devices for your USB, your AUX, and of course your Bluetooth input. Also keeping you connected via Bluetooth is the telephone function. We've got a great Nav system in the BMWs, and as you can see there we can scroll in effortlessly using our iDrive scroll wheel. We've also got DAB radio, dual climate control, and also switches for our lovely front heated seats. It's covered just over 43,000 miles. Does come with cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. And we should just go on through into the service requirements screen. As you can see, everything is in green. The next service for the vehicle is due in 15,000 miles time, and up in the service history screen you can see it's got comprehensive BMW service history all the way up until 41287. The last visit to BMW was indeed for a microfilter and engine oil change, including an inspection, which is a great peace of mind knowing that it has recently been to BMW for both an engine oil change and an inspection. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you would like to get in touch with us here at Your Next Car, you can either follow the links down below in the description, or there is also contact information down there also. Thank you once again. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourselves very soon. Bye bye.